Hello everyone, I am back with another interesting episode, your super coach Sonu Prasad. First of all, thank you everyone for your love and support that you have shown in previous episodes. I am very thankful and grateful that you are liking the episodes and videos and asking your question and queries while messaging me or emailing me. So I am very thankful to have such a lovely audience and followers with me. And so without delaying further, let's start today's episode because today's episode is going to be really interesting and empowering because today we are going to talk about the secrets of success. Though there are many factors that are responsible for making someone successful, but today we are going to talk about mainly three factors that's really important ingredient for making someone successful, that are डेडिकेशन, परसिस्टेंस एंड कंसिस्टेंसी. अगर हम इन तीनों चीजों पे वर्क करते हैं और इन तीनों को एक स्टेप की तरह लेते हैं क्या, तो हम 200% अपने अचीव गोल्स ड्रीम्स को अचीव कर पाएंगे और वी विल बी अ सक्सेसफुल पर्सन. सक्सेस की मीनिंग हर किसी के लिए अलग होती है, बट अगर हम इन तीनों चीजों पे वर्क करें, डेडिकेशन, अगर हम किसी चीज के लिए डेडिकेट हैं, परसिस्टेंट हैं और कंसिस्टेंटली उस काम को करते हैं, तो हमें सक्सेसफुल होने से, हमें अपने गोल्स को अचीव करने से कोई नहीं रोक सकता. तो इसी टॉपिक पे बात करने के लिए आज हमारे साथ हमारी गेस्ट जुड़ रही हैं, जो कि एक एक्ट्रेस भी हैं और एक सेल्फ एम्पावरमेंट कोच भी हैं. सो आइए वेलकम करते हैं हमारी गेस्ट का. सो प्लीज हेल्प मी टू वेलकम आवर टुडेज गेस्ट who will help us to understand more about this topic and reveal the secrets about this topic. So let's watch a short glimpse about her.
She is a brilliant personality who has been felicitated for her work as an actor for over 2 decades. She has worked with many big names in the film industry. She is also a model who has done numerous ads across the globe. She loves riding the motorcycle and has recently completed a biking expedition to Ladakh. A fitness enthusiast, she has powered her way through pain and tragedies and conquered victories over them. She believes that inner transformation is the path to peace and success. She is a self-empowerment coach whose mission to empower people with tools and strategies to overcome obstacles in any area of their life. So please welcome our guest, Alifia Kapadia.
So hello Alifia, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. So how's the lockdown treating you? How was the days going?
To be honest, I think the lockdown is going pretty brilliant for me. मैंने जो चीजें शायद regular days में नहीं accomplish किया होगा, I think I've accomplished a little more than that during my lockdown days.
Wow.
So as much as to people's envy, I'm actually having a very good time. I've been able to accomplish my certification. I've been able to complete my studies, and I have made amazing new friends. I have bonded on such an extraordinary level that it's absolutely brilliant.
Wow.
So I'm actually having a good time.
That's awesome. You are enjoying the lockdown time and this the vacation, we can say.
Actually vacation jaisa hi hai, but fortunately now that the lockdown has become a little relaxed,
right.
So maintaining all the taking all the safety measures. I'm also meeting my friends. Sometimes I meet my family sometimes in person, so fortunately it's not pinching me that much, or rather not at all.
Great. And first of all, I want to thank you for accepting my invitation and coming to this series and show and giving your
most welcome. Most welcome. Come on.
So आज, as we know, आज का जो टॉपिक है वो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है because today we are going to talk about the secrets of success.
Right.
How the dedication and persistence, consistency is the
Right.
most important part or most important ingredient in success journey.
Right.
So, what do you think? How important dedication and consistency is important in your journey?
See, first of all, I would like to share something that in my own experience, whenever I have not been consistent, not been persistent, not been dedicated, I have never seen any concrete results. I have never been able to see any kind of results that kind of made me feel like a transformation or made me feel like something brilliant has happened. So that alone, we are all, I mean, our experiences is what actually tells us that how far into the journey are we successful. So it is very important. It's very important. I think persistence, dedication, and effort is very important if you want to see results. Sorry, give me one second. Yes.
Truly, and really you said very well कि ये तीनों बहुत important होते हैं हमारी लाइफ में. और इस what I feel कि if we are not dedicated for any work, we can't reach there.
Right.
और अगर सिर्फ डेडिकेशन ही नहीं है, अगर हम उसको परसिस्ट नहीं करते हैं और उसको उस पर कंसिस्टेंट नहीं रहते हैं. एज आई वांट टू शेयर अ स्टोरी. आपने मूवी देखी होगी मांझी, द माउंटेन मैन.
Yes.
दैट इज
Yes.
रियली इंस्पायरिंग. वो 22 इयर्स तक एक कंटिन्यू रहता है, कंसिस्टेंट रहता है और एक डेडिकेशन के साथ कि हाँ मुझे पहाड़ के बीच से रास्ता बनाना है.
Right.
So I really inspired from that movie. The Nawazuddin Siddiqui had played the
Yes.
very inspiring role. So
Yes.
I truly love that movie and lots of learning. We can say कुछ movies हमें बहुत सारी learnings देती है.
हाँ बिल्कुल. इनफैक्ट आजकल की मुझे लगता है सारी मूवीज उसी ट्रैक पे चल रही है where they are trying to get a message across.
Right.
And you're right, that's a very good analogy. मांझी से हमें पता चलता है कि डेडिकेशन, persistence कितना important है to actually see some result and to be successful in the end.
Right. So Olivia, how can dedication leads to success, or how can dedication leads to achieving your dreams? What do you think about that?
So again, I'll tell you something about my personal story, which will probably help to understand this concept better. How it can help you to see results is this. We all as humans, we have been incarnated as humans to evolve. Okay. And I personally feel that evolution actually exists or is the consequence of challenges. So whenever you come across any challenges, whenever you come across any obstacles, what is actually happening is it is pushing you towards growth. And now if you notice, a lot of people say कि I'm stuck in a pattern. अरे मेरे साथ तो हमेशा ऐसा होता है, अरे ये तो मेरी स्टोरी है, ये तो ऐसे ही होता है मेरे साथ, अरे पक्का पक्का देखना ऐसे ही होगा. तो हम हर एक इंसान का ना एक पैटर्न में फंस चुका है, ठीक है. एंड उनको लगता है कि उस पैटर्न से निकलना मुश्किल है या नामुमकिन है, कि दे आर फेटेड फॉर दैट. बट एक्चुअली ऐसा होता नहीं है.
Right.
We are in a pattern. If you feel that you're in a pattern that is not serving you, that means it is pushing you to grow. And that means it is pushing you to change that pattern, make some tweaks in that pattern. So at the same time, बहुत सारे ऐसे patterns होते हैं जो हमें serve करते हैं, which is very beneficial for us. Like we have a certain, like my parents, they go for a walk every day. उनको अब इतनी आदत हो गई है कि अगर जिस दिन walk ना जाओ, so they feel something is weird. See, that is beneficial for them. So it's like a habit. They have a pattern of waking up in the morning, sleeping at a certain hour, which is beneficial for them. So a lot of times patterns are beneficial for you. The ones which are not beneficial for you, that is where your growth lies.
Right.
Now, how will that change? That will change only if you are persistent and you are dedicated towards the transformation. So I'll tell you a bit about my story. Because of the patterns and my mindset and my behavior and my belief, I was stuck in such a space in life. Eventually, in 2015, I was diagnosed with acute clinical depression. Okay. And at that time, I was put on consultation, that is a counseling and medication, because kafi wo, I had become quite, I'd like zoned out completely. I knew but this much, that I want to get out of this. And I wanted to do it with minimal medication or no medication, and lesser counseling, lesser therapy. I wanted to work on it myself. So मैंने बहुत research करा. पहले कुछ महीने तो I was completely useless. I had completely zoned out. Then after that, I realized that I should take it in my own hands to recover from this, to heal from this. I know for a fact that if I would not have been persistent and if I would not have been dedicated to it, I may not have ended up coming out of it so victoriously and so fast.
Right.
So, coming back to the story, I also started working towards. So, my therapist had told me two things: do something that engages you mentally, and do something that engages you physically. तब तक literally I had never joined a gym or had never done any workout, physical fitness routine nahi tha mera. So I started creating a routine for myself. I started creating like सुबह इतने बजे उठना है, सुबह उठ के सबसे पहले गर्म पानी, honey and lemon पीना है, फिर उसके बाद I'll have my soaked dry fruits, then I'll do my meditation. So and then I'll hit the gym. So all this had become a dedication, and I persistently pursued it. That is when I started seeing some changes and I saw the benefits. So that is the how important it is, and that is how you will not see a successful transformation. And another thing I would like to throw out, which can be actually very useful for our listeners, is that there is something called the 70, 21, and the 90-day rule. Okay.
Right.
And so 7 days is a mood. If you persist something for 7 days, it's a mood. If you persist something for 21 days, it's a habit. And if you persist something for 90 days, is everything okay? Okay. And if you persist something for 90 days, it's actually you are pushing towards a lifestyle change. So I was so hellbound कि I am going to do this for 90 days, चाहे जो भी आ जाए. And fortunately, I could manage it. The day I completed 90 days, I was like, yes, I did it, So it was a huge accomplishment. And that is something that I don't want to ever let go. It has helped me mentally. It has helped me physically. So that is how important persistence and dedication.
Amazing. The last you said 7, 21, and 90. That rule really helped me to start this series, because I have बहुत सारे आइडियाज मेरे माइंड में आए कि लाइक मैंने फोटोग्राफी, जैसे मैंने अपनी फील्ड भी बहुत सारी शिफ्ट किए हैं. जैसे अर्लियर आई वाज इन फोटोग्राफी. I was a freelance photographer and then shifted into news agency, then corporate, and then now in life coaching. So इसी तरीके से I was thinking lots of ideas, but finally I have persist in one thing, and now I have done 4 episodes and we are in 5th episode. So I was like, yes, I have accomplished something. It's not incomplete. So this really inspire like a कि जैसे फ्यूल मिल जाता है हमें आगे की जर्नी करने के लिए, तो उस तरीके से ये एक फ्यूल का काम कर रहा है कि I have achieved something and I have reached in 5th episode, and there are lots of many episodes are waiting for the audience.
Lovely, that's brilliant. तो वही होता है ना कि अगर आपको किसी चीज में you want to see success, don't give up midway. At least create a certain boundary कि इतना तो करना ही है. Like I put myself on a 90-day rule and I said I am not going to, like, you know, that I was counting. Like initially, the first couple of days was very difficult. फिर वो momentum में आ जाता है. और एक बार momentum में आ जाए, फिर automatically ideas आते हैं, फिर automatically energy आ जाती है, फिर automatically enthusiasm आ जाता है. You know, but it's the initial push that is a little difficult.
Right, we have to take the first step.
Yes.
कि अगर एक स्टेप लिया तो फिर अपने आप ही रास्ते मिलते जाते हैं कि हमें नेक्स्ट क्या करना है, नेक्स्ट क्या करना है, वो चीजें होती चली जाती हैं.
Correct.
That is really true. So I was saying कि इसी पे मुझे एक स्टोरी याद आ रही है कि as we watched the movie लगान, तो लगान में उनकी एक डेडिकेशन थी कि उनको अपना जो क्या बोलते हैं पेनल्टी थी या फिर जो उनका कर वसूला जा रहा था उसे माफ करवाना था. देन द टीम वाज फुल्ली न्यू एंड उनको कुछ पता नहीं था क्रिकेट खेलते कैसे हैं, बट द डेडिकेशन एंड परसिस्टेंस दोनों वहां पे थी, जिसकी वजह से उन्होंने अंग्रेजों से मैच खेला भी एंड उसे जीता भी.
राइट.
तो these movies really inspired us कि अगर हम किसी चीज के लिए डेडिकेटेड हैं एंड वो परसिस्टेंट हैं उस चीज में, और अगर उसको कंसिस्टेंट रखते हैं कि रिजल्ट कुछ भी होगा बट हमें इसको करना है, नो मैटर व्हाट इज द रिजल्ट बट वी हैव टू गिव आवर 100%, तो वो चीज कहीं ना कहीं हमें अपने सक्सेस की ओर, अपने ड्रीम्स को पूरा करने की ओर ले जाती है. दैट आई रियली बिलीव इन दिस थॉट.
Right. Right.
So Lifia, why do you think a lot of people give up on their dreams?
You know, most people give up on their dreams because they are only goal oriented. Okay.
Yeah.
And when I say that, means when you are only goal oriented or when you are only result oriented, what happens is maybe the recipe that you have and the ingredients that you have right now is not the perfect recipe and the ingredient for your result. Okay. But you have to, for example, you have to keep cooking because you enjoy cooking. So if your dedication and persistence is only goal oriented or result oriented, कि I want to see a result, एक साल के अंदर मुझे ये रिजल्ट दिखना चाहिए, अगर आपको वो रिजल्ट नहीं दिखा तो you are going to get dejected and you're going to give it up. That is normally how humans work. But I always urge people ki don't keep your any goals, I mean any actions only goal oriented or only result oriented. Do it because you enjoy doing it. Do it because it makes you happy. Do it because you are passionate about it. So when there are other factors that you can take into consideration for your actions, automatically you will not give it up that soon. So a lot of times, like for example, I have dedicated myself to learn the guitar. Okay? And what happens is I started this a couple of years ago. But unfortunately, मैं उतना time और dedication effort नहीं दे पाती हूँ उसको. So I'm not seeing results. Okay. But I know for a fact that I enjoy playing the guitar. तो irrespective of the fact, जैसे मैं हमेशा सोचती हूँ इस साल के end तक तो मैं rock star बन जाऊंगी. I'm going to be like a proper guitarist. But it has not happened so far. लेकिन होता क्या है कि I'm playing it because I enjoy playing it. Right. So I know that at some point I am going to get successful in it and I'm going to achieve it and I'm going to play like a rock star. But until then, let me just enjoy it. I'm enjoying the process. There are so many other things that I am focusing on. So that's how it is.
True, Olivia. कि अगर हम किसी चीज को कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं एंड उस पे अपना 100% देते हैं तो वो चीज ऑटोमेटिकली होती है. जैसे अभी यू सेड कि गिटार आपको सीखना था एंड यू आर कंटिन्यूअसली प्लेइंग, कि क्लास जाना है या फिर उसको प्रैक्टिस करना है घर पे भी, देन यू नो कि कैसे गिटार आपने सीखा. तो वही है कि अगर हम किसी चीज को कंटिन्यू रखते हैं एंड उस पे परसिस्टेंट रहते हैं, देन इट इज रियली गोइंग टू हेल्प अस.
Yeah, and what happens is कि जैसे मैंने कहा कि आपने बोला 100%, कभी कभार होता है कि मैंने 100% दिया, लेकिन आपको शायद ये नहीं पता कि there are million other ways also to do it. There are
Right.
million other things also which you can involve. You can take
True.
help, you can take a break. I don't know, there could be a million other options.
Right.
And so at any point, I don't think when somebody says 100%, it's really 100%.
100%. Exactly.
Yes.
100% पे मुझे एक स्टोरी याद है. आई लव टू शेयर स्टोरीज बिकॉज उससे कनेक्ट कर पाते हैं हम कि
Sure.
दिस वाज अ स्टोरी ऑफ अ सन एंड फादर.
Okay.
वन डे दे बोथ आर वर्किंग इन गार्डन. तो फादर ने सन को कहा, एक साइड में एक पत्थर रखा था कि जाके उस पत्थर को साइड कर दो. बच्चा गया और पत्थर थोड़ा बड़ा था तो उसने अपना पूरी ताकत लगाई उसको खिसकाने की, बट वो नहीं हुआ. थोड़ी देर उसने धक्का मुक्की करा बट उससे पत्थर नहीं खिसका. फिर बाद में वो रोने लग गया कि पापा आपने मुझे कैसा काम दिया कि मैं तो अपनी पूरी ताकत लगाई बट वो काम नहीं हो पाया. कि वो रोने लग गया. तो फिर पापा ने उसके कहा कि तुमने अपनी सारी ताकत नहीं लगाई, यू डिडंट गिव योर 100% बिकॉज यू कैन आस्क फॉर हेल्प. तुम मुझे अपनी मदद करने के लिए बुला सकते थे, मैं 2 मिनट में उसको खिसका देता. देन कि ये चीज होती है कि हम सोचते हैं हमने अपना सारा एफर्ट लगाया बट वी कैन आस्क फॉर हेल्प.
Yes.
जहां पे नीड है
Brilliant
वहां पे
story.
हमें हेल्प के लिए पूछ लेना चाहिए. ये नहीं सोचना चाहिए कि लोग क्या सोचेंगे. वी डोंट हेयर फॉर थिंक अबाउट द लोग क्या सोचेंगे बिकॉज एक कहावत है ना कि लोगों का काम है कहना. लोग कुछ ना कुछ तो कहेंगे और कुछ ना कुछ तो सोचेंगे. अब वो भी हम ही सोच
Correct.
लग जाए तो फिर लोग क्या करेंगे. तो उनके लिए भी कुछ
Correct.
काम छोड़ना चाहिए.
But you know, you're absolutely right. It's a brilliant story, and I'm a spiritualist, and even from the spiritual realm, I'll tell you, we as humans, we have been incarnated as humans, and we don't heal alone. We don't heal alone. We, if you are, just imagine कि अगर आप पूरे planet पे एक अकेले इंसान हो, तो आपको कोई ग्रोथ जैसी चीज होगी नहीं, because there'll be no challenges. You'll probably, and if you
Right.
are abundantly receiving, or I mean you have all the resources, so we never heal alone. Asking for help, collaborating with people, reaching out to people is a very necessary part of our growth. So it's a brilliant story.
True. So Olivia, what is the difference between dedication and determination? What do you think about this?
See, I feel that determination is something that comes from inside of you. Okay. And dedication is something that comes in your actions. So basically, when you are determined in your mind, okay, automatically the dedication will show in your actions. So for me, the difference between, so it starts with the mind, and I am pretty much like that. If I am determined that मुझे ये करना है और मैं ये करूँगी, I will do it. You know, I was like I was telling you the story. I usually FaceTime or video call with my friends because of the lockdown. हम अक्सर रात को एक particular time पे एक video call पे लग जाते हैं. और अक्सर ऐसे होता है कि एक बंदा है जो हमेशा कहता है कि यार मैं 10 बजे आऊंगा, लेकिन 10 बजे नहीं, 10:15 बजे, 10:30 बजे, कभी कभार तो आता ही नहीं, और हम फोन करके या मैसेज करके पूछ रहे कि भाई कहाँ हो, तो ही इज लाइक अगले दिन मैसेज आएगा, अरे मैं सो गया था, आंख लग गई, यू नो. सो आई यूज्ड टू गेट डैम अनॉयड, okay, and it used to really trigger me, and to a point where we got to a point where झगड़ा हो गया हम दोनों के बीच. Okay, and he told me, he said ki, what is the big deal in that? Why are you fussing so much about it? So first of all, what is the thing to be noted here is that what could be something so petty and meager for somebody else can be so huge and a big deal for somebody. Okay, and then I needed to introspect. So I sat, I introspect, I kind of try to wonder, why is it that I have such a big problem if somebody says something and then doesn't live up to it? So I realized that for me, the factor of trust, reliability, it depends on this, on a person's action. when it matches with their words, that's when that person seems a little more trustworthy or more reliable to me. Okay. And then I realized that maybe that is not the only factor. There are other factors that needs to be taken into consideration to be able to trust a person, to be able to rely on a person. So I said, I am now going to work on this. I'm not going to allow it to become such a big deal. Also, I realized that I make that time, that moment, that person so important that I put all my focus on that moment. And I'm not really thinking about anything else or doing what I love. I set aside everything. So I realized that it's something that I need to work on, you know. And eventually I decided, so I was determined that I will get over this. I will work on myself. And I dedicated myself to it. And I dedicated myself to my self-love, my time, my things. And I said, it's not important. I did my self-talk. I did my, my whatever affirmations. And I said, no, this is not what's going to stop me, block me, or get as a boundary. And I overcame it. So determination is something that starts in the brain or starts internally. Dedication is something that happens externally.
Wow. Truly said कि healing अकेले में नहीं होती है. Healing is like a community, part of community. कि हम लोगों को देख के, लोगों के साथ रह के सीखते हैं अपने आप को. एज अ कॉम्पिटिटर भी कह सकते हैं, और एज अ कि कोई हमें पुश कर रहा है, चीयर कर रहा है कि यस यू कैन डू दिस, और कोई कुछ बुराई करता है हमारी कि यार तुमने ये ठीक नहीं किया, ये तुमने सही किया, इसमें थोड़ा सा और तुम इम्प्रूव कर सकते हो और ये अच्छा हो जाएगा तुम्हारा काम, तुमने ये चीज करी, ये तो बिल्कुल ही बेकार है. तो हमें हर तरीके के लोग कहते हैं कि जरूरी होता है हमारी लाइफ में कि कुछ हमें मोटिवेट करते हैं और कुछ डिमोटिवेट करते हैं. तो उस डिमोटिवेट वाले लोगों को हमें डिमोटिवेशन नहीं लेना है, उसे एक पार्ट ऑफ लर्निंग लेना है कि वो हमें डिमोटिवेट तो कर रहे हैं, लेकिन उससे हम क्या लर्न कर सकते हैं, और उससे डिमोटिवेट होने के बदले उससे हमें सीखना चाहिए.
करेक्ट.
सो ट्रूली सेड कि और जो तुम्हारा टॉक्सिक पीपल से एंड यू इम्प्रूव एंड यू स्टार्ट लविंग योरसेल्फ, सेल्फ लव, एंड यू स्टार्ट ग्रोइंग योरसेल्फ, दैट इज ट्रूली अमेजिंग. So what is the role is of persistence in personality development? What is the role of persistence in personality development?
Personality development. Yeah. See, I'll tell you something. I was telling you a little while ago, lifestyle change. What first of all makes your lifestyle is because of your personality. The way you've been feeling, thinking, acting is what your personality is. That is how your personality is derived. So, like I was telling you, first of all, what makes your personality? The way you think, the way you feel, and the way you act is how your personality is derived. Okay. If you want to change your personality, you're going to have to change the way you think, feel, and you act. Right. Okay. And a little while ago, when I was telling about patterns, we all have a certain pattern of living. We all have a certain pattern of thinking, feeling, and acting.
Right.
So I chose to significantly change the way I thought, I felt, and acted because I wanted a lifestyle change. I wanted a personality change. I wanted to, break the patterns that were not serving me and, indulge into patterns or beliefs or mindset that would serve me better.
Right.
So that only happens if you really are seeking that kind of a change. That's like a 180-degree change. If you are really seeking that change, it will happen only if you are dedicated and you are persistent towards it. So, personality development is something that, okay, why does one want to change personality, or why does one want to develop their personality? Is because obviously they feel that they have potential to be better.
Right.
Right. So at the end of the day, it all boils down to the same thing, that if you want to be better, you're going to have to put an effort and stay consistent on it, and the results will show.
True. And what I believe कि अगर किसी के माइंड में ये थॉट भी आता है कि अभी कुछ तो कसर बाकी है और ग्रो करने की, then first step he already taken कि वो फर्स्ट स्टेप वो ले चुका है, जस्ट द ही नीड टू टेक द सेकंड स्टेप कि व्हाट आर द वेज टू ग्रो देयर सेल्फ, टू इम्प्रूव देयर सेल्फ.
करेक्ट
बिकॉज ये थॉट आना कि मुझे ग्रोथ की जरूरत है, मैं अपने आप को बेटर कर सकता हूँ, दैट इज रियली इंपॉर्टेंट. बिकॉज कई बार क्या होता है कि लोगों को पता होता है कि हमें इम्प्रूवमेंट की जरूरत तो है, हम अभी गलत कर रहे हैं, हम कर सकते हैं, लेकिन वो उस तरफ ध्यान ही नहीं देते हैं. वो बोलते हैं लाइफ चल तो रही है, लाइफ अच्छी चल रही है, क्या करना ले ऐसा करके, क्या हो जाएगा जॉब चेंज करके, कि इतनी अच्छी जॉब चल रही है, इतना अच्छा बिजनेस चल रहा है, इतनी अच्छी लाइफ चल रही है. तो वो मतलब अपने कंफर्ट जोन में रहना चाहते हैं. दे आर नॉट थिंकिंग अबाउट कि वी कैन ग्रो आवरसेल्फ, कि कुछ अच्छा भी हो सकता है. लाइक अभी वो 30% अपनी लाइफ जी रहे हैं, तो दे कैन ग्रो देयर सेल्फ टू 60-70%. तो वो 30% उनके लिए 80% हो जाता है, बट दे डोंट फील कि हमें ये और बढ़ाना चाहिए. तो दैट इज रियली इम्पोर्टेंट.
हाँ बट वो पता है आई फील दैट वैसे वो लोग की थॉट प्रोसेस दो टाइप की होगी. एक तो ये कि आइदर दे आर डिल्यूजनल, दे आर इन डिनायल, उनको लगता है, या तो फिर वो आपको झूठ बोल रहे हैं, सच्चाई बता नहीं रहे हैं, या तो फिर ऐसा है कि यू नो सम पीपल आर जस्ट नॉट दैट ambitious, some people are just very complacent, you know, but eventually it will occur to them. Because कुछ नहीं तो जो society है, I mean if you go to see, eventually everything is moving forward, technology is moving forward, economy is moving forward, the country is growing, it's getting advanced. So at some point they will realize कि भाई मैं तो पीछे नहीं रह सकता, आगे बढ़ना ही है.
राइट
So yes, it is eventually people will realize.
राइट ट्रू कि ग्रो तो उनको करना ही पड़ेगा. ये होता है ना कि लोग सोचते हैं कि अभी तो हम ठीक चल रहे हैं, बट एट अ सम टाइम कि जब ज्यादा लेट हो जाता है, देन दे रियलाइज कि अब हमें कुछ ना कुछ नया करना चाहिए. बट तब तक कहते हैं ना कि एक टाइम पीरियड निकल जाता है कि जो चीज हम अभी कर सकते हैं, लाइक कि अभी कोई चीज 100 रुपीज में हो सकती है, तो हो सकता है हम 5 साल बाद हमारी नींद खुले एंड वी वर लाइक कि ये चीज हमें करनी चाहिए, एंड उस टाइम उस चीज का पूरा ही चेंज, मतलब टोटली वो चेंज हो चुकी हो, कि जो चीज अभी हम आराम से सीख सकते थे, वो चीज आगे जाके और कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो गई. तो उस टाइम पे उस चीज को सीखने में या उस चीज को करने में बहुत मुश्किल भी आती है, और थोड़ा कहते हैं कि एफर्ट भी ज्यादा लगाने पड़ेंगे. और जो चीज अभी इजीली हो सकती है, उसको अभी ना करने के बदले हम उसको अगर बाद पे टालते हैं, तो वो एक कहावत है कि कल कभी नहीं आता. तो इसीलिए जो आज है, आज में हमें जीना चाहिए, लिव इन द प्रेजेंट मोमेंट, कि अभी का जो टाइम है उसे एंजॉय करो, और उसी में अपने आप को हैप्पीनेस और जो भी जॉय है उसे फील करना चाहिए.
Correct.
So Alifia, why some people are committed and persistent than others?
This actually answers your previous question, is that you know, some people are more committed because I always believe that change happens when the pain of remaining in the same space is unbearable. So for me, when I was going through the most painful, tragic, critical part of my life, I knew for a fact कि मुझे इस space में तो नहीं रहना है. So when जब वो बोलते हैं ना कि पानी जब सर के ऊपर चला जाता है, तब आपको सांस लेने की इच्छा होती है. मतलब that's when you will actually आप हाथ पैर मारोगे and you will try to swim. So that is the reason some people are more committed, is because एक तो everybody has a different threshold for pain.
True.
हो सकता है कि जो मैं टॉलरेट कर सकती हूँ कुछ सालों तक, हो सकता है तुम कुछ दिनों तक भी ना टॉलरेट कर पाओ.
Right.
So when I say that, I'm just not saying it about another person. I'm talking about a career, I'm talking about a personality, I'm talking about a situation also. So I feel those people who have really reached the threshold of their pain are the ones who really want to change, who will stay committed, to their goals, who will stay committed to their actions, and who will eventually find success.
Wow, that's great. तो ये चीज होती है कि अगर हम कंटिन्यू किसी चीज को कर रहे हैं तो वो चीज कंप्लीट होती है. So this
Correct.
was about the show, and Alifia, I would like to uh, give some feedback or some tips to our viewers that help
Okay.
them to grow or achieve their
Sure.
success.
Sure. See, I'll tell you something. I have been like मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि in my life's journey I have crossed already 3 lifetimes and I've come here, and that is the reason I am here. Like one would ask ki, who are you and why are these words coming out of you? And the thing is that if you know my story, you'll know that I have already lived 3 lifetimes. I have dedicated myself to human behavior, psychology, philosophy, understanding humans, understanding human nature, spirituality, and all of it. Read books, made notes, done studies. You know, I have just this one thing to say. And if everybody just focuses on this one thing, okay, the entire universe will be vibrating at a very high frequency. In other words, we will all be so much more at peace, so much more blissful. And this is self love. At the end of the day, if you just take into consideration self love, okay, when I say that, what I mean is that there's one question. Ask yourself every day, every moment before you take any action. Okay, this is like a quick I'm saying a quick tip to enlightenment is what I'm giving. Ask yourself this: how would someone who loved themselves behave? How would someone who loved themselves behave? So, for example, before you have to take any decision, whether it's with your friends, for your success, for your career, for your wealth, for your family, just ask this one question before you take any answer or you take any step, is that how would someone who loved themselves behave? So, in other words, if every action, thought, feeling, emotion, everything comes from this root, stems from this, that how much do I love myself? If I loved myself, what would I do? How would you do it? You will find the answer. It will come to you in intuition, or it will come to you in some sign, or somebody will walk in, some message, some book, something on the TV, some screen, some, I don't know. But try it. Do this every day for 365 days. You will turn your life around.
Absolutely.
You will not only be beneficial for yourself, you will be beneficial to people around you, and everything will just be amazing. So this is like my secret for anyone who is watching, anyone who is listening, because this really works.
Yeah, this really works. I do every day that what I do one ritual daily. What I'm grateful for, what things we have in life, उसको भी मतलब एक्नॉलेज करना बहुत जरूरी है. बिकॉज क्या कई बार क्या होता है ना कि हम चीजों को एक्नॉलेज नहीं करते हैं. हमारे पास बहुत अच्छी चीजें होती हैं बट वी थिंक और वी रन फॉर द न्यू थिंग्स. जो हमारे पास पुरानी चीजें हैं हम उसको भूल जाते हैं. जो लैक देन बेटर है, बहुत ज्यादा बेटर है नई चीजों से, बट वी भागते रहते हैं हम दूसरी चीजों के ऊपर. तो जो हमारे पास चीजें हैं, दैट वी हैव गुड हेल्थ, वी हैव अ लवली फैमिली,
Appreciate that.
appreciate that, acknowledge करना चाहिए. We have lovely family, we have lovely health, we have people, good people around us. तो वो चीजें हमें acknowledge करनी चाहिए. That is really important. And जो question आपने कहा कि हमें ask करना चाहिए, that really helps. Your question is really powerful and empowering.
Yes. How would somebody who loved themselves behave?
Yeah.
What would somebody who loved themselves do? Just print it on something and put it up on the wall, and make sure you answer this every time you're about to take a decision.
Right. So friends, I hope you liked the episode, and I have a question for you, that how committed or how dedicated and persistent are you in your success journey? You can comment below how persistent and how dedicated are you in your success journey. I hope you liked the episode. Please do share and comment your feedback and takeaways in comment box and spread this knowledge with more and more people, because your one share can change one life. So don't forget to share it.
Thank you so much, Sonu. Thank you for having me here. It
Thank
was really
you.
a lot of fun. I'm glad these questions came up because I love answering questions. If you ever have any questions, just bring it
Yeah.
on.
Thank you, Alifia. Thank you for giving your precious time